Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here from Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be giving you a brief overview on how to use the GoPro for shooting videos on new standards and improvements. So first, you're going to find the GoPro pouch, which is going to be located down at the end of the finishing table, and it is housed right there. So you're going to want to grab a charged battery. Battery charger's right there. So once you're done, go ahead and remove the battery and put it in the charger for the next person. Okay, so we've got our battery. Now we're going to take the GoPro out. We're going to put the battery in. So first thing we need to do is pull down on the side here, and this panel opens up. And before we put the battery in, we're actually going to need a micro SD, which is located in the pouch here. Just going to go ahead and pull that out, and it slides in ever so gently with the text facing up, and it just clicks into place. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab the battery, and you can see that the connectors are on top. So we'll go ahead and put the connectors on the battery, also facing the top, like so. Now, bring the latch down. You're going to have to kind of pull on it. It feels like it's like spring-loaded. Then push up, and it should lock into place. Now to power it up, we've got a power button on the side here. Just go ahead and hold that a couple seconds and it should turn on. And so this is what we're looking for. So pretty much everything we shoot is in 1080 30 frames a second on cinematic mode. If for whatever reason you did need to zoom, you're going to lose a little bit of quality, but you could hit that magnifying glass. Oops. You could hit the magnifying glass, and then you're able to zoom. Okay, so now to start recording, you just press the red shutter button on top, and now we're recording. To stop, just go ahead and push that button again. And if for whatever reason you wanted to preview it before you transferred it to the computer, just swipe up, and your video will start playing. You could also scroll between multiple videos. Swipe down to go ahead and get rid of that. Power it off, just go ahead and hold down the power button. And we do have a whole bag full of mounts and tripods for it. So these little feet flip down. This is the one tripod that we keep in the bag. And you just slide it in like so. You're going to see that the holes line up. Then you're going to take this pin here, and you go ahead and just screw it in like so. Flip out your feet, and you're good to record. Also telescopes. So now, you shot your video, we're all done. You go ahead, make sure it's turned off. Pop open that door again, pull out the battery first, and you're just going to push forward on the SD card, and it will pop out. And I'm going to make part two. Part two is going to be how to get your video from the micro SD to your computer. And of course, once you're done using it, go ahead and take the battery, come down here, take out a fully charged battery, and drop it in the charging station. And this is full of different mounts and tripods. Thanks for watching.